Hello. In this video, I will review two smartphones are Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G and Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, a popular smartphone that offers impressive specs and features at an affordable price. You will see the detail of both smartphones with three important points: first, display and camera; second, performance and battery; and third, storage and connectivity. Please enjoy watching as following. 1. Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G. Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G variant smartphone offers impressive specs and features at an affordable price. The highlighted attraction of the device is a 4nm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, a 90Hz 6.79 inches display for immersive viewing, a 50MP AI camera on the back, and is IP53 rated splash and dust resistant. The smartphone also has up to 16GB RAM, 8GB virtual plus 8GB internal, and has a huge 5000 mAh battery supported by an 18W fast charger. Below is the full information on the smartphone, where you can learn more about its specs and features. Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G display and camera. The Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G has a 6.79-inch IPS display with a punch-hole notch. The panel has a high refresh rate of 90 Hz and a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, which makes it smooth and responsive. It also has an FHD plus resolution of 1080x2460px and a pixel density of 396 ppi, which makes it sharp and clear. The screen can adjust its brightness up to 450 nits, which makes it suitable for outdoor viewing. Moreover, the display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, which makes it durable and scratch-resistant. The smartphone also has a 50MP AI dual rear camera setup with an LED flash. The camera can capture photos with enhanced colors, contrast, and details, thanks to the HDR mode. The main 50MP camera is accompanied by a 2MP macro camera with autofocus, which can take close-up shots of small objects. The camera app has various modes, such as portrait, time-lapse, night mode, timed burst, etc., which can add more fun and creativity to your photography. In addition, the smartphone has an 8MP punch-hole camera for selfies and video chats. Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G performance and battery. Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G variant is powered by a 4nm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 octa-core chipset which promises improved performance. The chipset is paired with up to 16GB RAM, which includes 8GB virtual and 8GB built-in. It is also integrated with an Adreno GPU, which handles the graphics tasks smoothly. The smartphone runs on the Android 13 operating system and has MIUI 14 skin, which offers a user-friendly and customizable interface. Besides, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock, which provide secure and convenient unlocking options. The smartphone carries a huge 5000 mAh battery and promises a long-lasting power backup. The battery can support up to 38 hours of voice calling, 30 hours of video playback, and up to 7.7 days of music listening, Xiaomi claims. It also supports 18W fast charging, which can speed up the charging process and save time. The device is a great choice for users who need a reliable and durable device that can handle their daily needs. Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G storage and connectivity. The Xiaomi Redmi 12 5G has 128GB of internal storage capacity, which can store your favorite photos, music, videos, and more. The phone also has a hybrid card slot, which can expand the storage space with an extra memory card. The phone has plenty of storage options to meet your needs. The smartphone also has various connectivity options, such as 5G, 4G, VoLTE with dual standby, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.3, an IR blaster sensor, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The phone can connect to different networks and devices easily and quickly. Besides, it has GPS with AGPS, GLONASS, and Beidou for online location tracking. 2. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. Here is the Redmi Note 12 Pro smartphone from Xiaomi's Redmi Note 12 series. The mobile phone carries a 120Hz AMOLED touchscreen backed by Gorilla Glass 5, supports 67W fast charging for its huge 5000 mAh battery, and the phone sports a 50MP IMX766 sensor with OIS. Moreover, it is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset integrated with 6GB built-in RAM and up to 5GB of virtual RAM. Let's have a detailed look at smartphone and check out what else it has to offer. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G display and camera. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro brings a 6.67 inches AMOLED touchscreen along with a 10-bit display resulting in more than 1 billion different colors for vivid picture quality. On top of that, it has Dolby Vision and DCI-P3 color gamut that enhances the saturation and vibrant level. As for the resolution, the display has an FHD plus 1080x2400px with a pixel density of 395 ppi. Besides, a layer of Gorilla Glass 5 protects the panel from deep cuts and scratches. The smartphone carries a 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor with a 2 pixel size for better low-light photography. Aside from the primary sensor, it has an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro camera with autofocus. Additionally, Redmi includes OIS or optical image stabilization features that prevent capturing shaky images or videos. Besides, the phone has a 16MP punch-hole camera for assisting selfies and video chats. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G performance and battery. Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G equips a 6 nanometers MediaTek Dimensity 1080 octa-core processor with a max clock rate of 2.6 GHz. In addition to that, the phone includes a vapor chamber that prevents overheating during intense gaming or usage. As for better multitasking, the SoC is integrated with 6 GB of built-in RAM and up to 5 GB of virtual RAM. Besides, an ARM Mali G68 GPU takes care of the graphics requirements. The phone runs on the Android V12 operating system with MIUI 13 skin on top. A huge 5000 mAh LiPo battery blows life into the smartphone. And, considering the battery size, a full day of juice is expected on normal usage like calling, texting, browsing, scrolling, etc. The most impressive offering is its 67W fast charger that assures to deliver 50% of battery life in just 15 minutes, whereas it takes around 46 minutes to fully charge the battery, Xiaomi claims. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G storage and connectivity. Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G comes with 128 GB of internal storage. Also there is one 256 GB storage variant available. The device offers a decent space to keep important apps, games, and documents. However, it lacks a micro SD card slot that restricts storing extra files on the phone. Moreover, the phone has a UFS 2.2 storage that results in faster apps/games launch time and data transfer over eMMC storage. The connectivity options of the phone include 5G, in selected markets, 4G with VoLTE dual standby, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 with low latency and better connectivity strength, IR blaster sensor that makes the device compatible with electronic devices such as TVs or ACs, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. Besides, it has GPS with AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS for online location tracking. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.